Good morning, YouTube. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today I am going to do a apartment tour. So it's just me at the house, so I'm gonna start showing you guys. And if you're new to the channel, you're not part of, you know, my little YouTube family, and if you enjoy what you've seen so far in my channel and you like them, go ahead, subscribe and like, give me a comment so I can engage with you guys. So yeah, anywho, so let's go. I'm gonna start showing you guys our office. It's not quite ready yet because we just started putting things together, and it's still a little bit messy. There's a few things that we need to get straight up and get done. So yeah, so over here is Jordan's office. Basically, yeah, like I said, a bunch of things that we need to kind of get cleaned up. And yeah, so this is his desk over here. Well, he said ours, so I'll be using it too. And this is my little desk over here. So mine's a little bit smaller because I had this for a long time. I didn't want to get rid of it. So yeah, so this is mine over here. I already got my books. These are just a few of them. I start school next Monday, so but yeah, we still have to do a little bit more organizing. So we got this board that's gonna go up the wall right here, so when we have homework and notes that we can put up here. So you guys, if you watch the last video I did, how I talked about how I like antique and thrift store shopping. So basically almost everything you'll see in the house is almost like secondhand, you know. So I actually got this at Goodwill. Thought it was cute. So yeah, and over here, this is in the entrance. So this is the living room. So so when we first started, we only had this couch over here, and this couch, that's the only one we had. It used to be like over here, right here, where you see the little table right here, the coffee table. So the couch used to be right here, and the TV used to be up here. And then I'll show you guys around because there's a fireplace right behind that. But then we got this couch. When we got that one, it looked a little too like clouded. I mean, not clouded, crowded in here. So then we rearranged the setting a little bit. So anywho, over here we have this chair. When I moved in, I only had this chair, and cute little chair, bought it for $6 at Goodwill. Over here, that's just a little that used to be my bookshelf, but now we have a bigger bookshelf, so we move everything in over here. I just have my plants, my aloe plant. She is growing so big. Like, she was a little tiny thing when I first got it. And then over here is my little cactus. This right here, that's the Haiti map. This one I have to fix it because it was there before we put this over here, so it's kind of in the way. I'll probably move it up to probably up here, somewhere like that. So anywho, I'll show you guys like the pillows. These two pillows actually came with this couch, and we bought these 3 pillows at what do you call it, First Premier, something like that. They're going out of business, so we were in Fargo, so we checked it out. So then I put these 2 pillows over there instead. I don't know, because this is a little bit bigger, and you need kind of some support when you're sitting on this couch. But yeah, and this couch was for free along with the desk. And yeah, this couch was the only one that we spent a lot of money on, really. And then this is our cute little coffee table right here. We got this secondhand from another lady for like $100. So yeah, oh, I was gonna light up candles, you guys. I love candles. So yeah, and then over here we have the TV. So yeah, like I said, the TV used to be back there. It's funny thing, because this little TV stand that we have right there, I just painted it, and I took the knobs out, so we were gonna get new knobs. So when we kind of rearranged everything, so we brought this inside. So we still need to go to Home Depot and get some more, get some knobs for that. And that little TV stand, it was also free. I found it by the road, and I was like, oh, this is cute. So I felt weird picking it up by myself, so I called my sister, and she came with me and picked it up. And then I, like I said, I painted it and everything. So yeah, and clock. And over here I have a little plant and a little Bible verse, 1 Corinthians 13:4. So yeah, so and then here is this cute little mirror. This mirror was also free. I got it from a friend. It's kind of old looking, but I like it. And also in here I like the color scheme, like you see the gold and white. So anywho, oh yeah, and my little baby plant, so she's also glowing. So yeah, and right here there's some like part of the bookshelf. We just have a few things over here, and then the wall right here, we just have those are engagement pictures. Yeah, I like the idea. I feel like it's so like classy looking with like the black and white and the frame and stuff. So that's kind of what I was going for. But I think I'd have to fix these ones though, because they kind of look crooked a little bit. But yeah, and then yes, and my other cactus plant. Okay, you guys, and like I was saying, over here was the TV, and like the speaker things that goes with the TV and stuff. So but then because of the way this house is set up, it's kind of small, you know, crowded with 2 couches. So we moved it over here. So we still getting pictures and things like that, because I'm gonna put like a bigger picture in the middle with all of our family. I'm still working on that. And look at my cute little Bible verse. So yeah, and then the fireplace is right here. I mean, it's a fake fireplace, but during winter, I'm thinking we'll probably gonna rearrange the living room, because so that we can have the fireplace and keep us, you know, so we can sit around, drink tea or drink coffee or whatever next to the fireplace. But yeah, it actually works. It keeps the house really warm. So I better turn it off before it gets too hot. And then over here is the other side of the bookshelf. But books, we just have books and DVDs. So yeah, and then this cute little flower thing. So yeah, so now let's move on to the dining room. The dining room is probably one of my favorite, especially the dining room set. This table set also was given to us for free. very nice, which the lady that gave it to us very generous. Yeah, our table that we used to have was a little bit smaller, you know, but this one actually have 6 chairs. You guys, I love decorating stuff. These are from this flowers thingy, or the greenery, or from the wedding. So but yeah, and over here is probably my favorite, the coffee station, because I love coffee. So yeah, and I set this up right here, but it's kind of a little bit too close, but oh well, who knows. And then look at the map, so cute. It's my sister's, but I stole it. And then these were originally from Jordan's apartment, so I was like, we should keep it. Okay, I'll just go straight so I can show you guys. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen is not very big, but we make it work. It worked just fine. So over here we just have our little, as you can see, we have our vitamins, beans, rice, flour, and all that stuff. And oh, I forgot to turn that on. My little diffuser. And so yeah. So for the kitchen, this is the color that I picked, because I really like that color. So all of our pots and pans are that color. So yeah, like I said, the kitchen is not very big, but we make it work. It works fine. We don't have a lot of counter space, but we just kind of use things and put it away as we go. So yeah, now I am going to show you guys, I guess, well, this is the pantry. You guys don't need to look in there, but this is our other closet. This is where we keep towels and my hair products, all that good stuff. And then in here is our bedroom. Let's see, I'll turn the light on so you guys can see. So this is the bedroom. This is my side, so I'll just set this little table here. I still need to get a cord to put my phone over here, and Jordan's on that side. You guys, as you see, our closet is not very big, so we got these 2 hangers thinking for clothes, so we actually have 2 of them. So we have one over here and one over there. So yeah, so that's our bedroom. And this is our dresser. Also, this is from Goodwill. I love my wigs up there and my purses. So yeah, this is our bedroom. This is where the magic happens. No, I'm just kidding. And this is our closet, but it's super tiny, and we have a lot of clothes, so we still have more clothes in there, but we needed more space. So over here is the bathroom. The bathroom is also kind of small, and the toilet is kind of too close to the tub, but it works just fine. You know, it gets the job done. So yeah, over here is the guest room. So the guest room is pretty nice looking, I guess. We are still we're not quite done with all the arrangement and stuff, but as of right now, this is kind of how it's gonna stay, and it's gonna be. So over here, this is like a little closet thingy, which we put a bunch of things in there that we need storage for. And like you guys, I don't know, like you guys, in our bedroom, we don't have a lot of room, so we put all of our shoes. Well, most of these are Jordan shoes, because this guy, he has a lot of shoes, and then I have my shoes over here around the lines over here, and then yeah. And this is another closet. It's super tiny. It's kind of weird looking, so we just have put storage stuff in there. And yeah. So that's about it. That's about all we have. If you guys are gonna be in town and you know us, you want a place to stay, let us know. We would love to have you. And you guys, another thing that I like about this house is this little what you call them, armoire thinging, like, I don't know, but those are like built in, so they came with the house. So we just set up some of our two bowls up there, and then those are like wine glasses, which we love wine, and then shorter glasses and things like that. And there is two of them, so these ones we have some other miscellaneous stuff in there. So yeah, I believe that's about all we have for you guys. So I think this is gonna conclude the house apartment tour. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what part of the house you like, or I don't know, some of my little decorating that maybe I can use some tips and just a little bit more, I don't know. So if you guys have any questions or ideas, so put them in the comment section below, and I would love to go through them and read them. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.